Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix won't send MMS messages on Moto G37. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, check your network. After check your network, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, open quick settings panel, just swipe down and turn on mobile data and turn off mobile data. Turn on or turn off mobile data 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and volume up button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on CR. Scroll down and search messages app. Click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on again settings app. Scroll down to and click on system and click on reset option. If you want to fix this problem, so click on reset network setting. Click on reset setting, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.